Hey guys, what is up? I am back again with another video. It has been a really long time since I've interacted with you guys, since I've been like wanting to put a video out there. Where do I start? If you are new here, I want to say welcome to you, and if you are returning, welcome back. Y'all, it's been a long 3 months and a lot has happened, and I'm just gonna dive into telling you guys like where I'm at now, give you a couple life updates. So I think my last video was in like May, and I think that was like a product review video. And so in May I had a fashion show to do. If you're new here, I was in cosmetology school. And praise the Lord, I'm done. But yeah, so in May I had a fashion show to do, and it was for my school, for Aveda Institute in South Florida, and that pretty much took up like a good chunk of my time. Like, it was an everyday thing, and some nights I would only go to sleep for like 3 hours. Not even some nights, every night I was going to sleep for like 3 hours. So I was pretty drained. Sometimes I'd be up and going to school in tears because of how tired I was. I didn't have to do the fashion show. It was something that I chose to do. And at the same time, I was also selling and making like my hair products, my hair butter, my hair oil. And that's another story on its own. But I will definitely make a video about my decision for my business later on. But yeah, so fast forward, did the fashion show, got it done with, and then June I was supposed to graduate because I was in the 1200-hour program, and I kind of switched over to the 1500-hour program. It was something I wanted to do for a long time, but I had to wait till I got to the 1200-hour mark in order to even switch over to the 1500 hours. So I was supposed to graduate June 5th. Didn't happen because I switched over. That added 300 more hours to my program, and on top of that, that meant that I had to be in school for like 10 more weeks. So that was the start of all the crazy. In the month of June as well, I also went to a wedding, which was like super nice. And like, as you guys can see, I'm also like adding pictures and some clips here and there just to show you, like, you know, your girl's been busy. She's been on the go, okay? And so I had to go to the wedding. That wedding was really like, it was a chance for me to be with family friends again, because I consider those friends that I met in college and stuff like that family, like like I love them. And so that was my chance to, you know, go see them again. That was my little head space break that I needed just to like keep pushing in cosmetology school, because if I didn't take that break, like, I probably would have been so done, because I hadn't missed, like, up to that point I hadn't missed any days of school. And so went to the wedding, and then July came, July, in which that's the month of my birthday. I had another wedding that I had to go to as well, which I didn't end up going to because I was dealing with a whole lot of mental everything, a lot of health issues as well. I had caught a cold, and I caught a cold from like little kids, and my throat swelled up so bad, like I was coughing all the time, like, and I don't think it was COVID, and I honestly don't even think it was the flu because of how bad it was. But it took like a good 2 months for my throat to go back to its normal size, which is not even like all the way there yet, and I still have some coughs here and there. Mind you, we're almost in September, but that cold that I got from those kids definitely like took me out. Like, it was bad, y'all. Um, but yeah, like I was saying, I had to deal with a lot of mental issues, a lot of health issues. I had to deal with school issues. Up to that point, I was just so over it. I thought I was going to do something for my birthday, something big, something special to celebrate 25. Didn't happen. A lot of my friends were like busy all the time and stuff, so nothing really, you know. I went to brunch with one of my friends, but it would like that whole weekend, it just wasn't giving what it's supposed to give. So I really ended up not going to the wedding anyways, which I would have had to travel to Texas for, and I couldn't put myself through that. And so August came, and August was a great month. Up to that point, I was like ready to get the ball rolling. Like that's my graduation month. I was like, I'm not staying here any longer than I had to. I am done. Like, one thing y'all need to know about cosmetology school, like, that shit takes a toll, bro. It takes one fat toll on you. And not to knock down like my school or nothing, because honestly, the people that I met, the people that I interacted with were like great. But y'all, them clients. I was over it. I kept getting asked if I was gonna take my clients with me wherever I went, and I was just like, no, because at the end of the day, if they're so used to paying these small baby prices and stuff like that, they're not gonna want to pay my prices. You know what I mean? Like, even the tips that I was getting was like $3 and stuff. I was just like, yo, my work is top tier. Not to hype myself up or nothing, but my work is top tier, and I take pride in like the work that I do and stuff like that. So it's just kind of like, it just wasn't for me. So I had to hit the ground running in August, which, you know, this month. And I got it done, y'all. Like, I got it done, and I am so proud of myself. I'm gonna be posting some grad pics and stuff like that too. Probably post like a little video to kind of just like commemorate me being done and me doing something for myself. Something that makes me happy, really. If you're new here, and even those that have been here for a long time and stuff like that and probably don't remember, like, I went to school for biology, okay? I got a little degree in that and stuff, but in the middle of like the whole college experience and stuff, I was always doing hair. Like, it's something that has always been a passion of mine, like something that I've always wanted, always loved. And to do this, you know, big thing for myself, like, and accomplish this thing for myself, like, it's the most amazing like thing I could have ever done for myself. Like, it literally has made me so happy to say, like, you know, like, I finished this, I did this. And in this time, literally in this next week, I'm gonna take a little vacation, kind of go see my best friend where she's at, and my goddaughter as well. I'm gonna go see them, and, you know, kind of take that time to just like spend time with them and stuff, and give myself, you know, a personal break from Florida in general. And then I'm gonna take like the next 2 weeks after that to just study, because I do have to study and take the state boards. Pray for me on that, y'all. Because I just want to do a one and done type of situation, you know what I mean? Like, I just want to take it once and be done. I can't keep going, you know, here and there, trying to take it and stuff. I just want to take it once and be done. On top of that, because of where I want to move to, I do have to take the state boards for there too. So obviously it's not going to be anytime soon that I'm going to take the state boards for there. I'm just going to do the one for Florida first, and then wait a little bit, take another little vacation, and then take the state boards for that, because, Chad, it's a lot of tests. Okay? It's a lot of tests. But yeah, y'all, like, as you can see, like, I wasn't just like MIA just to be MIA, but it's like every day was something. Like, even on my off days from school, I was just like, I gotta go work out, I gotta stay active, I gotta do this for myself, and then just to come home tired and redo everything all over again. So now I actually have time to interact with you all. I have time to be all over YouTube and kind of spam y'all with videos and stuff like that. If you do enjoy watching the content that I put out, and I have done a lot of talking, but I promise you guys, like, this is what a life update is all about, you know what I mean? Like, y'all just had to know what I've been through, what I've done, what I've accomplished, and it's only up from here, y'all. Like, just like my friends are saying, like, the price just went up, okay? Like, your girl is a whole certified cosmetologist now, soon to be licensed cosmetologist. Like, it's a great feeling, y'all. But I do thank you all for watching. Thank you all so much for, you know, your support and stuff. Like, some days I'll go through my comments and stuff and I'm just like, oh my god, these people are so sweet. Like, all the well wishes and stuff with school and everything. Y'all being here since I started a year ago, which is crazy to even say that. Like, it's really been a year. It's just amazing, and I really do appreciate you all. And I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, y'all, stay safe out there. I know there's this whole new like COVID strain going around trying to take people out and whatever, but definitely stay safe, and I love you all. Bye.